natin, bumagsak. Brandon Rios, ano ba na-knockdown? May tama doon. But he was a little off balance. At ang ating referee, Gino Garcia, rather Rodriguez, looming in a slip. Rios is not moving enough. He's not moving. Oh, Daga, sorry. Daga. Look at Manny Pacquiao. It's like target practice for him. Oh, feeling ko baka parang maging na dito eh. De La Hoya, he cannot pull the trigger. Hindi makakuha yung timing.
And again, notice the defense. He's really here to defend himself. Look at that close defense. Very tight top defense by Rios.
Huwag magkamali dito si Manny Pacquiao. Look at Brandon Rios. He is looking to assert himself. Alam niya siya mas mabigat dito. He's pushing his way towards Manny. He wants to crowd him, wants to pressure him. Manny has to be prepared for that tactic.
Kanina, I said, he will fight ferociously and he will try to make it ugly. This is the only way I think he can block House Manny Pacquiao. He's making mistakes. And that left hand has been very busy from Manny.
Manny's not using angles, however. Manny is not moving laterally that time. Slipping away. Yung galaw ni Manny, yung kanyang paggalaw towards the right, Rios or even towards the left. Di pa natin nakikita yun dito.
Saan taon lang yan? Pasok!
Manny's trying to force open the defense. But the Brandon Rios...
Pacquiao din eh? Di ka around. Pasa na lang kayo eh.
Remains a very dangerous opponent.
Ay!
Rios connecting with the left.
Rana, buti mo ka.
Close distance.
Flower cheering.
Uppercut coming from Manny. Right hand.
Nakapangangwak! Naisig nyo. Nagmatara, ano ka na siya eh? Si Rios? Ilang lingo-lingo na.
Dario Ho throwing punches in bunches.
Kapit ng oras oh, 45. Gata, Rios. Ay! Ikaw yung mano. Taga-mahandog.
Towards the ropes. And continuing to hammer away with a left to the side of the body ni Manny kung meron siyang pagkakataon.
Clearly, the speed factor, the hand speed, goes Manny Pacquiao's side.
Brandon Rios, however, coming back.
Isa mo na si Rios, di ba sikat?
Hinahanap natin. That kind of movement ni Manny Pacquiao. That comes from Manny Pacquiao. Here he comes.
Ay, kung nagsusunod pa. Na, window kay Gus na.
Brandon Rios